students. So I'm wishing you great success and great peace of mind, great memory, great strength in your whole life. So online students. So happy New Year to all the offline and online students. So now I will move to the further. Okay. So years will go on coming, going, all those things. But we should get same in all the days, and we need to read daily. Correct? Right. Received chocolates, all of you. Hmm? So mango bite, right? So online students, but you did not get chocolate, but you are in the online now. So I'm searching for online chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate for all of you. Okay. So my blessings will be there with all the students. So there is no doubt in that. So Pawan, yes. Now I will move to the further. Shall we? Okay. Okay, students. So yesterday you read the Python notes at 12 o'clock. Huh? Who read the notes at 12 o'clock? Raise your hands. Honestly, raise your hands. Who read the Python notes at 12 o'clock, which is when the new year changed? Who read? So, so I want to see who read that. So nobody read, huh? One girl, because they are hesitating to raise the hands also, because most of them did not read. Because when anybody is raising, they will available looking like that. So that's why. Okay. So no problem. So, hmm, Srivastava, morning time read. Okay, fine. Krishna. So I hope you will take Django classes for New Year gift for to your students. Right. Okay, students. So let us move to the further. I will enter into the next new one. Hmm. So something is that now I will post that something is coming there. So I don't understand that Hindi. Anybody is there trying to translate? You know, don't know what is this? English, Hindi, na? Marathi, Hindi or Marathi? Hindi, Hindi. This is okay. Hindi, you don't know? You know, no? So Hindi, who knows Hindi? You know, no? Don't know? Is it a poem or what? So Google Translator in English. Okay, let it be, students. Come to the point. So, so this is maybe he is wishing Reva. Reva is wishing is a poem. New Year. In a poem, it is he is saying that. So you don't know translation. That means you don't know Hindi also. Don't know Hindi. Hindi don't know. English don't know. Telugu don't know. What do you know? Marathi. So no Reva city is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. So let it be. So later I will convert into hmm? Pawan. Okay. So always you will be looking for that. Okay. So let us students start the discussion today. What is the next one we will talk about it? Histogram. Histogram we will talk about it. So class is coming to very close to an end. Today we will go for histogram. So once again, students, I'm wishing you to a good success in this year. Everybody need to get a job in this year. Read well, do well. So here I'm going to say morning. Today one student wished me. Today one student wished me morning, morning, early morning only. 9032030908. She wished me morning 5 o'clock only. One of our student. She's working in Bangalore in a big company called Siemens. She is a Python developer. After wishing me, she said, "What you know?" One important thing she said, "Sir, of course, it's whether to say in the class or not, I don't know. Sir, I got married 3 months back, 2.5 months back," she said. But my hubby lost the job. He lost the job. He lost his job. Then I'm making him to join Python classes, sir. When is the new batch starts? So then now, if no job is there, then now, no, sir, I'm getting more salary. No problem. But I want to make him to learn Python. I said, you teach Python. No, sir. One trainer, definitely, guru is required, he say. So he also spoke to me. Sir, I used to feel earlier so strong by myself. After seeing your student, is my wife, I'm feeling weak, sir. Weak he is feeling weak. And that much he is dominating. And subject wise, in career wise, she's getting almost 1 lakh. And earlier he used to get in a job when he is getting 50,000. Where is 50,000? Where is 1 lakh? See the difference. So what is important? Subject is important. So improve your subject and get it. And I asked how much is useful our Python classes. Sir, everywhere else, whatever the code I'm writing it, my class is useful to me like anything. And all the times, because of my class only, today I'm in the great position, she say. In the entire team, very soon she is becoming a team leader also. Team leader also she is going to become. So that really gives a much energy to me and to my students. So she is a business intelligence engineer. He is a business intelligence engineer, and where total Python code is using, right? So let's start. So user. I think user is I remembered his name, but I did forget his name. So new colors, new hopes, new joy in our eyes, a new belief in our hearts to touch new skills in this year. Let's change the colors of old season. A new springs bring a new season of sweetness into our lives. Heartfully wishes for the new year 2026. That is the meaning of that. Okay, good. User, very good. I like this. So this is the meaning also. He brought it. So Reva got it. And the meaning is this one. Okay, right, students. Thank you. Pawan, sir, yesterday I met one person in my society. He is working for one company as a Java developer. He want to learn AI. AI. Even he is a Java developer. He is planning to learn Python to start learning AI. Yes. So students, everywhere else, when you go for it, Python is playing an important role nowadays. So please acquire it, read the notes, and then move forward. And our notes is more than enough to make everything to be so simple to you. And nothing more than that. And I already said in the day one only. YouTube, Xtube, YTube, internet, anything you take it, it's your notes will make you everything perfect. Okay. And 6 o'clock, students, that I need to upload that notes because of this server error in the Google server. Everything is not uploading, giving server issue. Today I will upload it. Notes, that MCQs and everything. I'll keep it even in the Google Drive also, even in the regular Google Classroom also. Shall I start histogram? Right. So histogram is going to deals with history. So histogram is a diagram which represents the history of data samples. Histogram is a diagram which represents the history of history of samples which are available in the form of which are available in the form of continuous classes in the form of continuous classes. If I show you the problems, you will understand. Continuous classes. This is called what? Histogram. Histogram is nothing but one type of bar graph only. You take care. Histogram is nothing but one type of bar graph only. But it is going to be little small difference is there. So it is called one type of bar graph. So I'm going to take up directly one example, students. Now I'm take some data here. Marks is equal to 10, something like 45, 67, 89, 35, something like 34, something like 40, something like 55, something like 60, something like 20, 10, or like this. I'm having something like 80, 99, like this. Next I'm going to write it. Marks interval I'm taking. Marks interval or marks range I'm going to take it. What is that? Marks range is equal to something like 0 comma 35, 35. Next is called 75. Next is called something like 80, something like 100. Like this I'm having. Like this I'm having. Or I'm going to have it something like 100. I'm going to have it like this. What is the meaning of it? These are the these are called what? Marks and marks range. I want to take it 0 to 35. It is a continuous class. 0 to 35 the class interval. In the class interval, what is the frequency of the class interval? How many values are available within the 0 to 35? 10. Come on. 34. Next, 20. How many are there? 3. 3. So what is the meaning of 3? There are 3 values which are there in the interval called 0 to 35. 0 to 35 అంటే ఇలా తీసుకోవాలి. 0, 35 of like this. What this is called? Included. What this is called? Excluded. Excluded. Are you following me? This is included. This is called what? Excluded. So 0 to 35. Suppose if there is a 35, 35 will not come into this place. Next I will go for what? 35 to what? 75. 35 to 75. How many are there? Come on. So 45, 1. Next 2. Next 43, 4, 5, 5. 5. 5 observations are there between 35 to 75. Next is called what? 75 to what? 100. 75 to 100. How many values are there? So one is called 89, 80, 99. How many are there? 3. This type of data, this type of representation, when you are having this data, this type of representation done by what? Histogram. So the problem will be coming, either this form the problem will come or this format the problem will be coming. Either this way the problem will come or this way the problem will be coming. Are you following me? So let us start working about histogram here. If I show you the multiple problems, you cannot really understand the meaning of histogram. In histogram is nothing but one kind of bar graph. There are multiple histograms types are there. One is called what? One of the type is what? Hist. Is a function name we need to use it. What is the function name? Hist. Hist of we need to use it. So there are different types of histograms are there. Number one is called what? Step histogram. What is it? Step. Step histogram. Number two is called what? Step filled. Step filled histogram. Next is called what? One more is called what? Bar histogram. How many types of histograms? Three types. These histograms are used to represent continuous classes information like 0 to 35. How many samples? 35 to 75. How many samples? 75 to 100. How many samples? We are going to get it. Because directly one problem I will show you. And these are all the problems what our students got it. What our students got it. Let me go to it. After showing the problem, I'll show you the diagrammatic representation to you. Concept also I will go. Histogram, I will go to this place. Directly I will go to this place. Look at this case. You see the samples of data. Are you seeing now? This is a big samples of data is available. Very big samples of data. So this big samples of data, this is a given problem. Sir, చదువుకోండి. You just see that the following table gives lifetime of 400 neon lamps. Some lamps lifestyle, and then draw the histogram for the below data. What is the lifetime in, what is the number of lamps? 14. 14 lamps are there, which are giving the lifetime in hours. How many? 300 to 400. 56 lamps are there, which will give you what? 400 to this much. Like that, these are all called what? Like today, I wrote it 0 to 35. How many? 3. 35 to 75. There is a 5. Next is 75 to what? 100. There is something like 3. Like this, I wrote it or not? Actually, this 3 is nothing but what? 3 sample of values. Like that. 300 to 400, how many samples? 14. Like that, each one, these are all called what? Number of samples or not? That sample values are given here. That sample values are given here. I think you are going to follow. Are you following me? So let us go to the subject of, further also I will take this example. In this case, notes you go for it. Introduction to histogram. Because this matplotlib, first you need to see the visualization part, then you can understand the further. A histogram is one of the graphical representation of grouped frequency distribution with what classes? Continuous classes. What are the continuous classes? మనం చదువుకొని ఉంటాం in our school days. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and next is what? 30 to 40. These are all called class intervals or not? Each class interval will contain some frequency or not? Frequency means number of occurrences. Suppose 4. Next is called 5. Next is called 8. Next is called 2. What is the meaning of this 4, 2, 8, 2 are called frequencies? What these are all called? Continuous classes. How do you represent this type of data? Histogram. Histogram. You can also represent by using what? Bar graph also. Bar graph also. Like 2020, number of placements. Are you following me? Like that. Histogram shows the frequency distribution. Also called what? It is a graph showing the number of observations within the given interval. Within the given interval. Now I am going to take it. In other words, a histogram is a diagram involving rectangles. Rectangles are nothing but what? Bar graph only. Whose area is proportional to the frequency of variable and its width equal to the class interval. And it is, when I show the diagram, I will repeat once again this definition. What is the function name? PLT dot hist of x comma y. What is the type? Hist type. How many hist type? 3. Number 1, step filled bar. Next, after that, R width. Next what? Face color. And next what? Edge color. These colors, width, these are all called what? Makeup kind of activity. And we need to think about three things here. X comma, Y comma, right. Start the example. Problem. First problem. Start. Marks secured is equal to. Student secured marks is equal to like this. Marks interval. So what I want to write? I want to write the histogram. What is the histogram says? 0 to 35. How many students are falling in that continuous range? 35 to 75. How many are falling? 75 to 100. How many of them are falling? Are you following me? That is called what? History. Simple kada. 0 to 10 marks, how many people secured? 10 to 20, how many people secured? 30 to 40, how many people secured? 40 to 50, how many people secured? If I show in visualization, that is called what diagram? Histogram. Histogram is nothing but one type of bar graph only. The difference between bar graph and this is between the bars there is some space. Here there is no space is there. It is a completely filled with. So let us go for the example. Marks is equal to this one I am writing. Directly I will write a PLT dot hist. What is that? Student marks, comma, marks interval. Marks interval I am going to take it. So I will go for showing this entire thing. See this now. I will start with the problem directly. Go to this place. Go to the Jupyter notebook. Online students, I hope you are understanding this discussion. Krishna, AI mock, I think you will receive in tomorrow's session. I will tell you the AI mark for you. I'll give you a number for you to communicate with those people. Tomorrow I will give you my number for you, the mock related people who are conducting. I'll give you that. So even I will give my mail ID to you. So continuously you can touch with will be with me. So next I will go to this place, mark secured and all those things I'm taking. Try to observe it. This is my given data. How you can take this now? This is a given problem. This given problem I will post it. How do you draw this now? You need to take this problem. Student marks is equal to marks secured is equal to. How do you represent this scatter that I need to write histogram? So how can I take it? Student marks is equal to how many approaches are there to do it? Multiple approaches are there. What are that multiple approaches? With list I can do, with the NDRA I can do, you know, all that entire mechanism. I'm taking in the form of what? List. So I'm going to take hist. So before that I need to write from matplotlib import, come on, pyplot as plt dot student marks comma interval. So you see that it is going to show by default one type of diagram is shown. Please follow it. Here you try to observe it. What is taking 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. It is taking what is the scaling between these two? 20. 20 is the interval or not? 20 is an interval. Please look at mom. This width, are you seeing this? This one. This indicates 0 to 20. What is this is called? 20 to what? Almost it is going to say it is according to our interval. According to our interval, if you look at 0 to what? 35. 0 to 35. 0 to 35. This indicates, this line indicates, if you carefully follow, this line indicates what value it represents? 35. But there is no clarity for you with this approach, correct or not? And one more here, there is no clarity for you with this approach. 75 now, what is that clarity is not there. But somehow this is going to be coming. What is the number is coming? 3. 3. For which interval? 0 to 35. What is this is next? 35 to what? 75. This is above 75. This is above 75. Are you following me? Next, online students. Today I'm using one new mechanism here. What is the new mechanism now? I will use it PLT dot PLT dot. As you are already aware of it, this is known as what ma? X-axis. The above one is known as what? So here I want to go for checking the ticks 0 to what? 35, 35 to what? 75. Like that, I want to check the ticks. Ticks means what? The values on the x-axis. For that, I will use which function? PLT dot what? X ticks. X ticks. What are the ticks you want? 0 to 35, comma what? 75, comma what? 100. You are interested? You can check this ticks. Whatever the marks interval you are taking, please take them as a ticks in that. That is only the simple mechanism I am going to give you. So see, observe now. Are you following me now? 0 to 35 and 35 to 75, 75 to what? 100. How many are there? 0 to 35, 3. 3. Even you observe it, 0 to 35, how many are there? You count it. So 35. How many are there? This is going to be 30, 10, 34. These are the 3. Are you getting 3 or not? Next, next int slot, 35 to what? How many are there? 5. Look at now. Start. One is what? 50, 40, 60, 55, 44. How many? 5. 5 are which slot? 35 to 75. Next, remaining what are those? 90. 90. Only next, 84. Only 2. So between what? 75 to 100. What is that? 75 to 100. It is a 2. This is called which diagram? Histogram. If it is a bar graph, there will be some gap is there between that. If you want to have the same version with a bar graph, you need to mention what? R width. R width. Are you following me? Right. Now, students, if you want with this, if I want any kind of if you want any kind of effect to be seen, hist, next I'm going to write it. Syntax I said already to you students. What is this now? Face color and next is called what? Edge color. Here I will use edge color something like this. I will use edge color is equal to something like red. I am using it. For example, am I getting some separation or not? Edge color. That edge is nothing but one bar only. One bar only. Are you following? This 3 indicates, you see, this is going to be called what? 5. 5 in width or not? This is called what? 3 in width. So whatever the height is there, that will become what? Come on. Width. Here, how much is the height here? 5. That is a 5 is going to be width. How much is here? 2. 2 is the width or not? That is what is our diagram says here. In other words, histogram is a diagram involving rectangles. That is called bars, whose area is proportional to what? Frequency of variable. And width is equal to the class interval. What is the class interval of 0 to 35? 3. 3 is the width. 35 to 75. 5. 5 is the width. 75 to 100. 2. 2 is the width. Did you understand? That is called which concept? Histogram. Histogram. So I hope you are getting me. Next, how many types of histograms are there? We have different type of histogram. Number 1, bar histogram, step histogram, step filled histogram, step filled histogram. Specify the histogram type using which type? Hist type. Here which type? Hist type is there. Hist type is there. So coming to the hist type is there. R width is there, face color is there, and then what? Edge color. So here marks secured, marks interval. Here I will go for this one. So I'm going to take PLT dot hist student marks, marks interval. Hist type is equal to what? Bar. R width is equal to what? 0.7. Face color is equal to red. So if we specify the bar type, then we must specify what? R width. So I will go to this place now. If at all you want the same discussion with this kind of hist type bar, if you want to take it, you can take it. You can take it. So in this case, I'm going to take it. What is the type? Hist type. histotype. So I'm going to write it. Histotype is equal to what? Bar. Histotype is equal to bar. What is the next? R width is equal to something like 0.7. Something I am writing like this. So you try to see, students, are you getting the separation or not? It is looking like what? Bar graph only. So what is the difference between bar graph and this one? Bar graph will have some space between the intervals, but histogram will have complete meaning of this. I think you are getting me. Right. Next, I will go to one more type is what? Histotype is equal to what? Step. Step is nothing but what? Face color is equal to. If we specify the step or step field, then histotype, then there is no need to specify what? R. So I will specify what now? Step I will mention it. Step I will mention. Next example, continuation plot. I will go for step. I'll go for step. So this step, if I go for it, in this case, what will not come? There is no filled color will not come. Filled color will not come. The color is filled or not? This one. It is filled with color or not? Here there is no filling with the color. Just a space will be coming. Are you seeing now? This is called what? Step histogram. If I explain in my English, you cannot catch me. I have to show you compulsory diagram. Hist. This is called which type of histogram? Step. See that it is also going to be shown completely. 75. Like this it is shown. This is called which histogram? Step histogram. By default, which is the histogram taking step filled? This is called step filled. Step filled with this only. So you are going to get this. Are you getting this? Now, if you take it last and final, if I take this face color, I will take. This is an edge color. Now I will take it as what? Face color is equal to something like yellow. Something like yellow. So if I take it, you are going to get completely with what? Yellow. With what? Red. Are you seeing the red there? Yes. Red. So if you want to take it, blue. Blue. So you can take it. So this is called what? Histotype. Step field. Edge color is equal to edge color. What I changed it? There I changed it. So here I need to change it. So is it blue is coming or not? So you are not seeing that. Not visible properly. Here you need to press. Are you seeing the green? So the best is to see what? Which one? Red is only the best. Red is only the best for you to see. So I hope it is more clear. So how many types of histograms? What are those? Step, step filled, bar. Only filled, no. Step filled. Step filled. When you say bar, you need to mention R width. Let us go to the next example. Next example, I will go for it. What is the next example? This one you take it. This one you take it. Problem here. What is the question? Let us following table with what? 400 neon lamps. Draw the histogram for the following data. This is called what? Lifetime in hours and number of lamps. Online students, did you follow this type? Did you follow this type of histograms? Correspond it now. So this is the example. We got it. Next, I will go to students. I already said to you, and if you go to an interview, 99% of the time you will not get the questions in Matplotlib. Why? Already there is a Power BI. Already there is a Power BI. Industry started using now. Industry started using. What I will submit? My marks I will give. My interval I will give. I will select. There is a template is available called histogram. I will select the histogram. What will be drawn? Histogram also will be drawn. I will select the bar graph. What will come? Bar graph will come. So you have to upgrade with the industry standards. So 1947 things we should not go for it. So if we come to this, in 4 to 5 years back, there was a programming like this. But As on today, no need to go for this kind of things. So let us go to this data. I want to take it. Actually, they are giving directly in the form of what? Like this only they are giving it. How do you represent this data? How do you represent this data? That is an important. So this is the values which are available for us. These are the values which are available. But when they are giving like this, we need to take 300 to 400. As I was mentioned it, no confusion, ma'am. 0 to 35, these are called what? Distribution. These are called what? Observations. How many observations between these two? 3. How many observations between these two? 5. How many observations between these two? Right. Actual problem is given for that is something like this. Shall I show you the actual problem? So actual problem will be something different. So 14 random values will be there between 300 and 400. How do you generate? So suppose if it is given like this in interview point of view, if they ask you to do it, how to do it? Must be so intelligent here. So now I'm going to take 14 random values I want between 300 to 400. How do you take it? 14 random values. That is my topic. I will take it. Look at. Then you could understand, mom. I will take one list. I will take it, student. I'm going to take how many random values? 14 random values I'll take. Between what? Yes. Can I take 14 random values? Yes. Can you tell me the code for that? Go there. Online students, please follow this problem solving all of you. So I'm going to take it. Import numpy as np. Now I will take it. Some res is equal to np dot random dot randint of 300 comma 401 401 size is equal to 14. Size is equal to 14. So I'm going to get what? RES. So RES is going to contain these values or not? These values I will take it. These values I will take it. These values I need to take it. And that too, those values must come in the form of what? Separated by commas. So, నేనేం చేస్తానంటే I want commas also. RES I will take it. These values I will take it. Are you following me? Separately, I need not to put a commas over there. I'm going to convert into problem solving students. Please be careful, ma. Are you okay? This is called which one is completed? Lifetime 300 to 400 samples I got it. Next I will go for what? 400 to 500. How many? So what you will do? Random for how many values? From where to where? Yes. How do you do that? Same thing. Go there. What is the value, ma? 400 to 500. 501. Very good. What are the values now? 56. Okay. 501. So RES you take it. Is it called the values are coming or not? So these values I will take it. These values you need to take it. This is the way to solve the examples, ma. This is the way need to solve the examples. So go to this place, comma, I am writing this data. These are the sampling data between 300 to 400, 400 to 500. Are you getting it? Comma. Next, go to what next? 500 to 600, how many? Very good. Online students, try to follow. Now I will go to next one. RES is equal to, come on, 500 to what? 601. Value 60. 60 I am going to take it. Print of RES. 60 values are coming. 60 values are coming of this type. So there I will take it. There I will take it. 60. Getting me? Comma. Next I will go to what? 600 to 700. How many? 86. 600 to 786. So 86. So I will write it 701. This is called what? 600. Say what? RES. How many values are coming? 86 samples are coming. 86 samples are coming. So like this we are getting 8. Like this we are getting 8, comma. We are going to take up next. How many next? What are the values? 700 to this one. 74 I want. 74 I want. 74. So this is called a 700. This is called what? 801. Say RES here. Also got it this much of data. Also got this much of data. Go to this place. Here I am going to write it. Getting this, comma, I am going to take it. Next I will go to 800 to 900 what? 62. 62 I am going to take it. So 62 I am going to take it. So there I will take it 800 to 901. So RES you take it. This is the data I need to take it. These are all the observations within the slot. These are the observations within the slot, comma. So I will take it last, I hope so. 900 to 1048. So I will take it. This is called what? 900, 900 to 1001. How many? 48. 48 you need to take it. This is RES you printed. This is the data we got it. These are the values we got it. So in this case, done. These are all comes under what, ma? List. These are all comes under list. Are you okay? So this entire data. So if you want to take it, this is the data we got it. Today I will take up. Today I will take up where I am taking this entire thing into this place. I will carry this sampling data. This question I will carry. This question I will carry. This problem. First I will carry this problem. This problem related sampling data is coming. This is a problem. This is a question. And these are the columns. Next I will take it. These are all going to be taken something like this. All the intervals I am taking. So draw the histogram. This problem I need to solve. So I will carry this entire data which I generated lot of samples of values. Lot of samples of values. Directly I will come to this place. Here I will post it. These are all my values or not? Come on now. I will directly write it. In this case, what are these values? Come on. What are these values? Number of lamps. Number of lamps. LAMPS is equal to NP dot array of. I'm writing it. Are you following me? NP dot array of. I will write it close. There I will write it. Before that, I will import NumPy as NP and from matplotlib, import pyplot as PLT, as PLT, as PLT. Okay. Number of lamps are coming here. So this is going to be done. Next, I will go for what? What is that? Lifetime. What are the lifetime values? 300, 400 up to what? 1000. So lifetime I will take it. Lifetime I will take. Lifetime is equal to, come on, NP dot array of, what is that? 100 comma, 100 or 300? 300 comma, 400 comma, 500 comma, 600 comma, 700, 800 and 900, 1000. I'm going to take it. This is my data, students. Now I will go for drawing the diagram. How to draw the diagram? Hmm, Come on. So why you are seeing this side, that side like that? Stand up. Any problem? Come on. Neck pain. Okay. I thought that yesterday something is done. Something done, right? That's why neck problem is coming. Anything done? Done something, right? Stand up. So I want to find out. Something done, right? I know. You've done something. No, no, no. Don't tell lies. Who is your friend? Something done, right? Huh? He read Python notes? Huh? You don't know. Why he's saying he's a friend. Both of them staying in same room. Different. So done something yesterday. I know by seeing you, I can say. So he did not do anything, I think so. You have not done anything. You have done something. I know something you also done. Okay, sit down, no problem. So you have done something. I know. You have done something. I know. Sit down. So come to the point back. So, hmm, okay, something done. I don't know. Something done. I can tell, but I'm a teacher. That's why I'm not saying. So lifetime is equal to NP dot. Now I need to draw the diagram. So let us start out to write PLT dot hist of what is this now? So life number of lamps, comma, come on, lifetime. I need to take lifetime. So lifetime values will be taken PLT dot what? Show. PLT dot show. So it will be showing this type of diagram. Are you seeing this? 300 to what? 400. This is going to be 0 to 20, 20 to 40. Some values are taken or not. So maximum value is available what here? Like this, 86, something like this. These are the values we are taking up here. So these are the values are available. These are the values are available like this. So I'm going to take it, try to follow. Here in this case, what I will do. This is a diagram we got it. With all these things got it. Now students, here I will go for the same diagram I will carry, the same part I will carry. If you follow me, in this case, here I will set it PLT dot, PLT dot, what is this? Ytix, Ytix of, what are the values I will take? So go to that problem. What is that? Remember these lines 14, 56, something like you need to say. In which order you need to take it? 14, 56. This order you need to take it. In ascending order, I need to take it or not? So I will take it 14. This values I need to take it. So you try to see here. As these values are available, 14, 56. I will write here 14, comma, 48, comma, 56, comma, 60, comma, 62, comma, 74, comma, 86. 86. Right? Done. So this part I will take in this place. I'll keep it white X part. So done. Close it. Now go to this place. Now you are going to get it. Something like here, some overlapping is taking place. Why it is overlapping taking place? 30 to 400 is called what? 14. It is coming. Next is called what again? 40 to what? 50. 400 to what? 500. What is the value coming? 56. No problem. That is no problem. Next is called what? 500 to 600. What is the value taking? 60. Are you seeing the 60 here? But there is a value called 62. Between each part, it is not a regular interval, right or not? It is having what? Irregular interval. That's why 60 immediately what is showing? 62. Next 74. Are you seeing this now? 74. This is called what? 62. This is called what? 60. 60, 62, there is a close relation. Are you seeing this is called? It is 60. Correct? This is called what? 62. This is called what? 74. This is 86. And this is 48. And this one is 14. Are you following? So I think students, you know how to set the x-ticks also. X-ticks also. So I hope you are understanding this sentence. See, drawing the diagram is very easy. Drawing the diagram is very easy. Next, I will go to what is this now? Edge color is equal to something like red. Edge color is equal to something red. So is it showing the edge colors or not? Edge color is also showing. You can go for step bar also if you want, but generally most of the time you will go for step or step field you will take it. Bar is supposed to be like a bar graph representation. So when this type of problems are given, generating this type of random data is very important. Are you getting me? So I think online students, it is clear about my discussion. I think this is clear about my discussion. Is it clear? Come on, everybody. Now go to the place. See, students, New Year celebration is a part and parcel of the life. Once you get the job, daily you can celebrate New Year or not. So only one day celebrating, rest of the day not taking anything, that is a problem. Daily you need to celebrate. Correct? So coming to the point of it, not one day celebration, daily celebrate it by reading the building your career. Next start with age of the people and then what? Number of the people. So how do you represent this kind of thing? So age of the people, this is a 5 people, this is a 4 people, 3 people, 4 people, like this we are having. Are you following me? So from there, where I am going to get it? This is called what? Of course, that is coming under that only. This one you take it. This is another problem I am taking. Hmm. This is also one important. Two people from, you can read the, you can read from the histogram that are approximately 140 to 145 centimeters. How many people are there? Two people. So what is the diagrammatic representation? Come on, prepare. 140 to 145. How many? Two. Next, 146. I can say 145 to what? 150. 150. How many people? Five. Next, 150 to what? 155. 155 or 156? 156. How many? 15. Like that. You can prepare or not. 156 to what? 162. How many? Come on. 162. How many? 31. 31. Like that. Can you prepare that? And how many random values I want between these two? Two. How many random values between? How many random values between these things you need to take it? Are you able to follow? So like that you need to build what? Random values here. Are you getting or not? So these values you need to prepare. Will you do this example by yourself? So you can do it. This is one example you can do. Like neon lamps and then how it is done. Like that. Here also, between 0 to 10, how many values? 5. Like this I need to take. All these values you need to take it. So I think you can do it. Will you do it? Huh? So here, don't try to write directly the diagram for it. Directly diagram will not be coming. You need to generate what? Random values. Are you following, students? You need to generate the random values. Will you generate random values for this? So do it after going to home. I'll post as it is to you people. Okay now? Right. So next, if I go to back to it, implementation of the histogram. Implementation of the histogram. Already you know the function name is called what? Histo. What is that? X comma, Y comma, histotype, R width, face color. So edge color is also there. Edge color. Edge color is also one parameter. You need to mention it. And the same examples are available here. That is only function name purpose you are taking. And problems, maybe same problems will be there here. So These problems are the regularly asking problems because this is not necessary. Here only everything is available. Will you do this? So histogram is going to be very simple. So this completes what? Histogram. So next I will go to subplotting. I will go for it. Subplots. Subplot means within the same axis, how to draw multiple plots. That is one more topic which are going to be coming. So online students, histogram is clear. Now I'm going to enter into the multiple plots. Subplots I'm going to talk about it. Subplotting is also very easy. So going to this place, subplots. So how do you draw the subplots? Take one diagram first. This is called what I said already. Go to our basic components of the diagram. What is this is called? Come on, figure. Spell out. Figure. Figure contains what? Very good. Axis. Spell out. Axis. Axis contains what? Axis. What is this axis? X-axis, Y-axis. X-axis, Y-axis will contain what? Artist. So this is called by default. Figure contains how many axes? One axis. One axis contains what? Two axes. Today, I want to draw in a figure. I want to go for, this is a figure. I want to create like this. This is called one axis. This I want to go for creating another axis. This is called axis 1. This is called axis 2. This axis will contain what? One x-axis, one y-axis. This is also containing one x-axis. This is also containing one y-axis. This is one axis, x-axis and y-axis. Are you following? In this one artist will be there. Here also one artist will be there. So how to draw? Very, very simple. Tell me, this entire thing once again called what? Come on, students. Figure. So figure. Okay, that is done. How many axes will be there? Two. Good. Now, how do you represent in our coding? That is an important. More preference will be for coding. This is called what actually? According to our matrix format, it is called one column or not? This is called one column or not? This is called one row or not? How many rows? One row. How many columns? Very good. What is this plot? One. What is this plot? Second plot. How many rows? One row. How many columns? What is this plot? One. First plot. What is this plot? Second plot in the same column. Second plot in the second column. This is called what? First plot in the first column. What is the row? Same row. What is this column? First column. What is this column? In the first column, what is the plot number? 1. In the second column, what is the plot number? 2. Are you following me? How many rows are there? How many columns are there? What is this one represents? First plot. What is this first one represent? Row. What is the second one represent? What is this represents? Plot number. How many columns? 2. How many rows? One row. One row. How many columns? In that columns, what is the plot? That will point to this place or not? How do you point this? Now immediate answer. 1 comma 2 comma 2. What the first one says? Row. What the second one says? Column. What the two says? Plot number. Are you following? Easy or not? One more example. Online students, are you getting more? Another example. Another example. No problem. One more example. You only tell me. This is called, what is this is called? I forget. Huh? Okay. What is this represents? What is this represents? Come on. How many rows? 2 rows. What is this is called? Come on. What is this represents? Good. How many columns? ఎవరైనా 2 columns? ఎక్కువైంది నిన్న. So, what is this is called? Row. This is row is what? 1. What is this is called? What is this is called? Column. Column. How many columns? In that, what is the plot number? What is this plot number? 2. Come on, say. What is the first one? 2 comma 1 comma 1. What is this 2 represents? 2 rows. In that what column? First column. What is the plot number? 1. Next, 2 comma 1 comma 2. What is this now? 2 rows. First column. Which plot? Second plot. Are you following me? Yes. So coming to the next, another example. User. So I don't want to use today because it is a new year. I don't want to use. So coming to what is this now? Row. What is this now? Row. Now what is this column? First column, second column, third column. Quickly. How many plots will come? 6. 6. What is this now? Axis 1, axis 2, axis 3, like that. Like this. These are all called what? 6 axes will come. What is this plot number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then what? 6. Start off. What is this row? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Start ma. What is this? How do you come to this place? Come on. 1 comma, no, 2 comma, 3 comma, 1. 2 comma 3 comma 2. What is this 2? Plot number. What is this now? 2 comma 3 comma 3. This is plot number. How do you write it this? 2 comma 3 comma 6. 2 comma 2 3 comma 4. What is the next? 2 comma 3 comma 5. These are all called what? Subplotting. To draw the subplot, there is a function called what? Subplot. Come on. Subplot of number of rows, comma, number of columns, comma, plot number. Plot number. Are you following me? Yes. In general, coming to the point back. So, coming to the point back. See, I'm wearing the same shirt only, same shirt only, same pant only, same shoe only, same shoe only. Everything same. Okay. So you only, okay, all my students are normal like me only. All students are like normal only. Everybody is normal, but 1 or 2 students are a little abnormal. Yesterday did something. That's why they are not understanding matplotlib also. When I am drawing 1 axis, they are seeing 3 axes. They are seeing 3 axes. I know students are going in wrong direction nowadays. Yes. So, of course, my students will not do that, but somebody done that. I know. Somebody done. So there are some good students are there behind him. Behind him. They are also your friends. Correct? Who is the best friend for you there? Make him stand up once. Who is the best friend? Huh? Say, stand up. He did something yesterday, correct? Correct? No. Okay, you already fixed match fixing. Okay, let it be. Come to the subject. Now I'm writing, come on to the point. PLT dot subplot of, I'm going to write it. Umar Ansari. Actually, mom, Matplot, I can teach you Power BI. There's no doubt in that. Power BI also, last year only I updated myself. Power BI last year only. It is a separate course again. Power BI admin is there, Power BI development is there. Power BI admin, Power BI development. Both of them I have to explain. To explain both of them, minimum it will take 45 days to 50 days. But as a part of full stack Python developer, that part is not necessary. Which one? Power BI not necessary. Power BI who require? Data scientists require. AI engineer require. For full stack Python developer, this matplotlib not necessary. What is required? NumPy and Pandas is required. Matplotlib not necessary. Nowadays, Matplotlib not necessary because Power BI is already there. Who is required? Power BI, data scientist, as well as AI developer required for visualization part. For visualization, even full stack Python developer also can use it. There is a Power BI admin tools are there. Power BI development is there. Power BI admin is there. Even I can go for it, but I am also having starting point and pickup point and ending point is also there because my bus is also having some route fixed now. That's why I'm going to stop up to matplotlib only. Ansari, I hope you understood that point. I think you understood that point. Yes. So, so I will go to, so maximum in computer science, around 15 to 16 subjects I will tell in the same commitment, same responsibility, everything I'll take up in the same way, right? So subplot of what is the syntax? Come on. Number of rows, comma, number of columns. Next, columns. Come on. Yes, plot number. That's all. Now you tell me PLT dot subplot of 1 comma 2 represents how many rows? Immediately you visualize by yourself how many columns, how many rows. That means in one row, how many plots are there? Two plots are there. What are the plot numbers? 1 comma 2. How do you write it? Comma 1. Comma 1. What is the another plot, ma? Comma what? 2. 2. Okay. In this, what I want to write? One line graph, I will write it. One histogram, I will write it. One scatter plot, I will write it. One pie chart, I will write it. Come on. X is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Y is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma something like 4. Like that I am writing. What is this now? PLT dot what? Plot of what? X comma Y. This is the plot drawn in which plot? 1 comma 2 comma 1 plot. This is written. Are you following? Go to this one. What I am going to write it? A is equal to something like 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 2, and B is equal to what I am going to write it? 2 comma 4 comma 3 comma 1 I am writing it. What I will write? PLT dot what plot of what? A comma B. A comma B. PLT dot what I will say directly show. PLT dot show. Are you following me? And so go to this. If you want any x-axis and y-axis to set, you can set x-axis. PLT dot x label is equal to something like what? X-axis, some name, whatever you feel it, but you can write it. X-axis, I can write it. And now I will go to what? Y-axis. That is called what? Y label. Y-axis I can take it. Y-axis I can take it. Now I want to set the title. For this subplot, I want to set it. PLT dot subtitle, 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 not title, subtitle of what? XY1 graph. XY1 graph. For example, XY1 graph. This is one thing. Similarly, if I go to this, something like I'm writing here, this is x-axis, y-axis, XY2 graph. Are you following? If we want the total graph, total graph, PLT dot title. PLT dot what? Title. This is going to be known as what? Subplots. Subplots. I'm going to give it. Are you following? How do you set the title of each subtitle? How do you set the title of the whole subplots? Title. This is a main important thing. Are you able to follow now? So I think it's a dead easy for you. What is the function name? Subplot. What is the syntax? Number of rows, number of columns. So you can go for, while you are going to set this plot, there will be coming what? Marker. Next time I must say, marker will be coming. LW, LS, color, marker, MS, MEC, MFC. So many properties will be coming. Are you able to follow? Online students. So coming to the point back. So I'm going to go to this place. Now I will go to small example subplots. I'm having subplots. For the sake of the notes, I'm going to give you. So here I'm going to take it. Subplots, nothing but multiple plots. We use which function? Subplot. Subplot of number of rows, number of columns, index of plot with the plot number. So what is this now? Here I am writing x and y, subplot of 1 comma 2 comma 1, plt dot plot, plot 2, same array of values, 1 comma 2 comma 2 or not. This is called a plot. Plt dot what? Show. What is this in detail? Plt dot subplot of 1 comma 2 comma 1. What is this? The figure has one row, two columns, and this plot is first plot. Second, PLT dot subplot of 1 comma 2 comma 2. This figure has one row, two columns. This plot is the second plot. Come on here. So if we want a figure with two rows in one column, meaning that two plots will be displayed on top of each other instead of side by side. Two rows and kada. Come on, how do you do that? Two plots top of each other. Come on, two plots x, y, 2 comma 1 comma 1. What is the 2 represents? Two rows. How many columns? So it is on the top of 1 by 1 or not? What is this now? First plot, plot of x, y. AB, plot of 2 comma etc. PLT dot show. You can draw as many plots as you like in one figure. One figure. Just describe number of rows, columns, and index of the plot. Student. Draw what? 6 plots. 6 plots and 3 by 2 I can go. 2 by 3 I can go. Plot numbers are 1 to 6. Correct? Start. What is this now? 2 comma 3 comma 1. How many rows? How many columns? So what are the plot numbers? In one row, 1, 2, 3. In another row, 4, 5, 6. So this is drawn. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6. PLT dot show. Next, go to title. You can add title to each plot by using what? Title function. How do you go for it? This is the one. This is called a title of what? Sales. Sales. Next title of what? Income. So subtitle, SUP title. Instead of subtitle, there is a SUP, super title. Subtitle, that is one approach. This is one more approach. Reverse. Set the title for each subplot. SUP and super title. Super title means title for all the title. That is called a super title. Sales and income plot. Are you getting it? So this point also you can go for it. I think which is going to be very simple for you. So I'm going to show you the diagram for you. So subplots also will be there. Students, if you come to this example plot, there is some type of subplots. If you look at subplots, just to see that subplot 1 comma 2 comma 1. This is a one x-axis, y-axis, xy graph. 1 comma 2 comma 2. Time temperature, time temperature graph. Here you try to observe it, students. Here how many plots are there? 2 plots are available. Subplot. Here subplot concept. What is the sub function I am using? SUP title. SUP and super title. So this is going to be the total title for both all of them. XY graph as well as what? Time temperature graph. So this is the values we are having. X-axis, Y-axis, both of them. One is This based on this data it is drawn. Based on this data it is drawn. And if we come to below, here what is this plotting starts with 1 comma 2 comma 1. What is this? One row, two columns. This is called what? Sales income. Sales income. I think you are following me. If you want six plots to draw, six plots to draw, drawing two plots anyhow that was shown, top of each one, this I will go for it. So if you want to go for it, another one I will go to this example. Try to go to this place. This is an existing example. I'll go to the new one. There I will take it. Try to go for this subplotting. Plot 1. This is the one. Plot 2. This you try to see. You are going to get it. One on the top of each other. This is called one plot. Below one is called another subplot. If you want more number of plots, six plots if you want to draw. Six plots if you want to draw. All the six plots if you want to draw. So you can take care of that. Easy, not a difficult. So six plots I'm going to draw it. So let me run this. So you are going to get it. All the six plots are coming. Are you seeing this now? So this is the first one, second, third, two rows, three columns. Like that you can go for what? Subplotting mechanism. Title concept is also there. So that is easy for you, already shown you. So go to the next one. It is also going to be sales and all those things. So you are also going to get it what? Sales income. Sales and what? Income plot. Some data. So how to go for writing? Subplots concept also done it. Are you following me? So if we come back to our previous example, if I come back to my discussion here, matplotlib, basic components of the graph. If I come back to the place, here we did what? Line plot, bar plot, histogram, this one. And tomorrow I will go for pie chart. With that, all plots will be over. All plots will be over, and matplotlib is going to become end. Matplotlib is going to become end. So that class will be over. So matplotlib, you will not be getting in any of the interviews. Nobody will get it in interviews directly. So you will be coming across what? Pandas you will get. Next is what? NumPy you will be getting. More number of questions, written test questions and projects will be coming in NumPy and Pandas. So more time we spend on this kind of area. And as on today, Matplotlib, whose extension data analyzer you will use? Power BI. And Matplotlib extension was there, Seaborn అనే concept ఉంటుంది. This also becoming outdated nowadays. All the trending you need to learn it. Power BI is the next. For full stack Python developer, Power BI not necessary, because your thing is this pandas, NumPy, and UI, Django, those kind of things are important. When you are learning business analytics, data science, AI, business analytics, that time visualization required, that I will go for what? Power BI. So this matplotlib not necessary. Very follow. So tomorrow our class will become completed. Pie chart I will explain. Don't miss tomorrow class. Right? Thank you. Online students, any doubts are there? You hold on. I will talk to you. Thank you. Online students, you hold on. If any doubts are there, I will connect to you. Online students, Jitendra. Jitendra.
Sir, good afternoon. Happy New Year. Wish you the
Thank you,
best success.
Jitendra. Wish you the same.
Sir, as tomorrow is going to complete the course, and I think this Matplotlib is the basic concept for the data visualization, right? Yes, sir. It's
Yes,
the
yes,
foundation.
yes.
But in the real-time industry, we are using some advanced kind of
Power
visualization.
BI, Power BI we will use. Power
Yeah.
BI. In Power BI, we don't write the code. Directly, we will submit the data set. Data set
Okay.
we will submit and we will select the diagram. Directly, diagram will be generated.
Mm-hmm.
So we
And
don't
sir,
write the code over.
yes, sir. And
Mm,
sir, right now, I'm having experience of experienced candidates. If I apply for data science,
mm,
Python data science kind related jobs, with this EDA project, what we have discussed, that
mm.
I can
Very, very important.
mention in the resume.
Yes, you have to mention it. I already said now. You have to specify in the resume. EDA projects.
Yeah, because right now in my company, they are picking some other candidates for they are like little bit started with the
Mm,
AI projects. It's
mm,
not they are not started with vast project. So
mm,
slowly they will increase and
mm,
take some number of people slowly one by one.
mm, mm,
But right now they're working with some 200 or 300 people.
mm,
But if I search in outside, uh,
mm.
for that I need to mention the idea project only, right, sir?
Yes, EDA project is very important. You mention it.
And be thorough with the Panda and NumPy and Python.
NumPy and Pandas, Python. Be perfect.
Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, you said you will share some interview
Yeah,
questions and
I will share. Tomorrow only I will share it. I will make it ready today. I will make it already ready only. I need to just upload. That's all.
yeah. And one more thing, sir. The
Mm.
design concept could have covered in the
Django,
Python only.
Django, you
I
see, I'm having lot of classes more. Django means again it is heavy load for me, heavy
no, no,
workload for me. Mm.
not Django. Design patterns like meta classes, design pattern. Those
That is there in
concepts.
the REST API, na? REST API.
Sir, I would
REST
have
API part.
concept in Python, but yeah. Okay, let's see.
That is, see, Python is so vast, including Python framework also will come now. Framework will come and NumPy also will come, Pandas also will come. See, if I say only heading called Python, if I discuss everything and then there is a division in the course now.
Mm-hmm.
There is a
Yes, sir.
division in the course. Everything is not a Python, right or not? So Python,
Yes,
we are
yes, yes.
giving the course with what? Less amount of rupees only. When you take Python, anything outside, it is a minimum they are charging more amount of rupees. So
Yeah, right,
Jitendra, I think
right,
so.
sir.
You are understanding, I think so.
Right, right, sir, right. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right, 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 right. Um, Paramananda Adav, Paramananda Adav. So there's a
Yes,
more
sir.
demand for
Good
Django. Yeah.
afternoon, sir.
Good
Hello, I'm
afternoon.
audible, sir.
Yes,
Happy New Year,
yes.
sir.
Thank you, Paramanand.
Sir,
Wish you the
as
same.
we know that, yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, as you know that tomorrow will be end of the NumPy Pandas matplotlib.
Yeah.
So, can you discuss about resume building because we done Python, NumPy Pandas matplotlib.
Mm, mm,
So,
mm, mm.
please
Uh,
discuss about resume building. How we can mention our project like banking
yeah,
project. Also, we have done
definitely.
employee project done in Python level and EDA
Definitely.
project also we have done. So how we
Mm.
can mention that? So that's why we
No,
got the idea about that, sir. Please.
I will address some points definitely.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
na?
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Right, Paramanand. Thank you. Right. Shahul Rayan. This is to inform you that our beloved and well-known friend March 25 is retiring on 31st of this month. His 12 wives and 52 children, 365 grandchildren will attending the grand send off on Wednesday, 31st December 23. Okay, however, his family members asked me to inform you that he retired with all of your problems, sickness, disappointments, frustration, dismay of near ones, same, disagree. Uh, yes, yet his successor asked me to inform you that by grace of God, he is going to compensate you with long life, good length. Now, with this, God blessing, season's greeting. So, Rayan, is it? It's such a great big message you send on Happy New Year time. Okay, anyhow, wishing you the new year for all of you. Sai Krupa, Django, Django, Django. Total messages Django, Django. My dear students. Right. SK, sir. So, right. Yes, sir. Out of all 300 students, most of them went the Django at the same time, 11 a.m. Sir, please take Django and then REST API class also, sir. My dear students. So now coming to the point of it. So, Ashish, so happy New Year. I have small doubt in resume. There was an experience. I don't have experience to mention internship column in the course of tomorrow. I will address some points in the resume building. So we will discuss that. Right. So admin Django class again 9 o'clock Django class. Okay. So my dear students. So take care. All the best. Venkata Krishna. One more student. Venkata Krishna. Venkata Krishna.
Yes, sir. Can you audible my
Venkata.
voice, sir?
Yes, yes, ma.
Sir, can you say me tomorrow class Python class is there, no, sir? Full stack Python.
Hmm.
How to contact, sir, to join in Python class for my friend, sir?
Tomorrow you join in www.nareshit.com. One website is there, na?
Yes, sir.
In that course details will be there. Course details.
Okay, sir.
New batch details will be there. In that my name is there. You click on that. You mention your details. You will get the link.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right, ma.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Right. Online students. So it is all the students. They're asking my mail ID, and I'm going to give you my mail ID. Please escape. So my mail ID is there. You, s- my mail ID. Escape. My mail ID came to you. Right. Take care about it. Okay, students, take care. Don't miss the next class. Tomorrow is the last class for all of you. Don't miss it. Thank you. All the best.